Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Gemini. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your general energies, and I'll be picking cards from the oracle deck for your career situation and your angel guidance card at last, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. And I'll be picking two cards from the wisdom oracle deck, guys. So that is the oracle guidance for you all regarding your career situation and your relationship, guys. And this is the angel card, so that is the general guidance at last, guys. So we will open the cards now for your general energies, Gemini. 8 of Cups, 6 of Cups, Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, guys, Gemini, you want to walk away from certain situations, guys. Maybe some responsibilities you had enough, you feel, and you just want to leave that situation and go away. And maybe you are trying to avoid some things and go away. Maybe for some of you all, you may be you are not satisfied with whatever you have, maybe your possessions, your car, houses, and you are turning your focus is on maybe spirituality, something spiritual. You want to attain something spiritual for yourself, so you are turning your attention to that, guys. Maybe for some of you, so maybe in this position you have everything, you have what you want in your work situation, things are going well, but you don't have that contentment and fulfillment today. So that is the reason you are trying to walk away from that, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some important news, something that may not be so good. Maybe it may be something regarding your career situation, maybe regarding some projects or some financial investments, whatever it is, not a favorable news, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be speaking with your family members or friends, discussing the situation, what you need to do, and maybe spending time trying to get clarity in your situation. Or you may be speaking your heart to your person, telling them the truth, and whatever is your situation, you are talking about your situation, whatever you feel. We see here that you are not happy in your situation, you don't feel that contentment, so you are telling the truth about yourself and your situation to your person. That's also what I see here, guys. So some kind of important communications are also happening, so you are communicating with your person. Let us see what is this card, the wisdom oracle guidance card, guys. So this card will answer the questions you have regarding your work situation, guys, whatever you deeply feel within yourself. Regeneration. So this relates to your career situation, guys. So sometimes in life certain things may not work, guys. So maybe in your career we saw that you may be getting some news about some delays, or it may be that, or maybe some situations it would have gone wrong maybe. But today with this card, the oracle's guidance is you may be getting some second chances, some new opportunities may come your way, guys. So whatever you thought were dead, were no more, some projects or whatever it is, that may revive again. So instead of the past, whatever you lost, what is coming to you, this new opportunity will be much better than the past, guys. So that is what I see here. So it may relate to your work situation also. So whatever was lost, whatever losses you felt because of certain situations, whatever has gone wrong, something else may come and replace it, but it will be much better and much better than before, guys. That is what I see here. So it's time that you do not dwell in the past and experience this new opportunity and grab this new opportunity that is coming your way, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So whatever that is not working for you, you need to give that up. You should not be afraid to face the facts, whatever it is. So there is no need for you to struggle and grieve about the past, whatever you have lost. You have to just let it go and be ready to be reborn again with this new opportunity. That is what I see here. And what is the card for your relationship, Gemini? Unfinished symphony. So with this card, guys, for your relationship, the energy is that whatever we do, guys, in our work situation or in our relationship, we have to have that closure. We have to complete things. We should never leave anything incomplete. So in our relationship, maybe after we have moved away from this past person, certain things what we have left unsaid, or that love will still be there, and that is the reason we feel that hurt in our situation, and we will be bound by that relationship if we don't get that closure. So maybe with this card, the energy, guys, for your the oracle's guidance is, if you are in that position, if you need that closure, and if you want to make amends, you want to move on positively with your life, you have to write that letter or make that call to that person. Try to make peace of that matter. So whatever, if you want to say sorry, you have to say it, or if you or if that person wants to apologize to you, it can be done, and you can get over that situation, and you can say the things that you wanted to say and resolve that situation and close the door of the past and move on with your present. Set yourself free from that relationship, from that situation, whatever was hurting you, guys. So that is what is the oracle's guidance. So you have to just tie up the loose ends, have that closure, and move on with your life, move on with that fresh start as a clean slate, giving up all those past memories, whatever was hurting you. So that is the oracle's guidance for your relationship, Gemini. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is the angel guidance card for you guys. Love. So with this card, guys, for us all, the angel's guidance, love is having that openness of our heart, guys. So in a relationship or with family or friends, love means that compassion, respect, that mutual respect, caring and acceptance, that deep acceptance of that person as they are, guys. So when we have that, it will deepen that relationship. We will be able to make that deep connection with that other person and build that strong sense of belonging. So that is what this angel guidance message is about. So if you want that deep love, that true love, that true connection with this person, you should go for that heartfelt compassion, respect and caring in that relationship, guys. That is what the oracle's guidance, the angel guidance messages, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.